So my name is Susan Kasa. I'm the president here at Boulevard Machine. We've been in existence since the 1950s as a family business, transitioned from one member to another. I picked it up back in 2006. So Boulevard Machine and Gear, we manufacture parts to customer supplied drawings. We cater for the most part to the aerospace and defense industry, but we're also outer space and satellite. Our focus really is our multi-axis machining, hog outs, hard materials. Our customers are really on top of cost and delivery, and it's crucial that we're always on time. And our programmers, our machinists really love that challenge. And we make it a team effort here. They're not just machinists on the floor. We do include them in all of our communications so they understand the importance of what they're running and the common goal we have at the end to bring this together. We always try to stay ahead of the curve, so whether it's our people and training them, our machines, cutting edge software, we really do try to give every employee what they need to do their job as efficiently as possible. We've continued to stay on top with Mastercam. Our programmers love it. We always stay current with whatever's being released, whatever revision it is.
We always look forward to the new releases. We always try to watch the What's New videos that Mastercam puts out to try to stay up to date. Been a lot of improvements along the way, a lot of features that have benefited us. The unified tool paths, 3D OptiRough, 2D high speed. When we do the deburring in the machine, whether it is a multi-axis deburr or even the newer 3D deburring tool path, it definitely cuts down on the hand holding of the part and the guys having to deburr the part manually. And the machine's just faster, and it's the same every single time it does it. So our customer relies on us to get them parts on a deadline. And we rely on Mastercam every single day. Mastercam definitely gives us the ability to go after the most complex parts out there. Without Mastercam, we wouldn't be able to do it. And if there is any issues, we have Mastercam Connect to lean to be able to resolve any issues we have and move forward from there and get everything done in a timely manner.
Investing in the machines, investing in the people, having Mastercam and all the other softwares that we have here, it allows us to better grow with our customers and become better partners to them.